The large bowel or large intestine is the colon that is mainly associated with the human body's digestive system. The digestive system allows the human body to eat and consume food to produce energy. Some foods taste good to eat and assist in maintaining a healthy colon. They ease our digestion and lead to improved overall health. Let us discuss those foods in detail that are delicious and play an active role in a healthy colon. Number 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is made by the fermentation of milk and lactic acid. A healthy bacteria carry the process. Yogurt contains a considerable amount of probiotics or beneficial bacteria that are colon-friendly, live in your digestive tract, and improves digestion. Number 2. Kombucha. Kombucha is a green tea that undergoes the process of fermentation by adding strains of particular bacteria, yeast, and sugar. Kombucha contains a high amount of antioxidants and healthy bacteria that boost body performance and improves digestion. It has a sharp vinegary taste that is used in many cocktails. Number 3. Papaya. Papaya is a portion of highly delicious food and stimulates the process of digestion by breaking down protein fiber. It has potential gastrointestinal properties and aids in treating some colon-related issues like bloating and constipation. Number 4. Dark green vegetables. Dark green vegetables are a delicious source of the healthy colon as they are a great natural source of insoluble fibers. It adds bulk to stool, making it easy to pass out through the digestive tract. The magnesium in dark green vegetables also relieves constipation. The list of green leafy vegetables includes broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, spinach, and many others. Number 5. Whole grains. Whole grains refers to the grains or seeds of grass-like plants called cereals. They comprise 100% kernel, including the germ, endosperm, and bran. These are highly nutritious and colon-friendly foods. They help to prevent constipation as the excellent source of whole grains contains 3 to 4 grams fiber per serving. Healthy bacteria also aid in improving digestion. The best whole grain food includes rye, oatmeal, barley, whole wheat flour, multigrains, and amaranth. Number 6. Almonds. These little nuts are nature's boon for mankind. They are incredibly delicious with unlimited health benefits as they are packed with fatty acids, polyphenols, antioxidants, and fiber. All these characteristics make almonds essentially a colon-friendly food. They are a good source of probiotics that make them a healthy treat for your gut bacteria. Number 7. Ginger. It is a herb used in many traditional recipes and serves great in the digestive system. It eases heartburn and prevents nausea. That is why it is used commonly by pregnant ladies to treat morning sickness. Number 8. Banana. Bananas have a super yummy taste and serve as a great source to keep your colon healthy. They are high in fiber and magnesium that promotes good digestion and improved colon health. You can make banana desserts, shakes, smoothies, and fruit salad. 9. Fish. Fish are best known to have suitable properties for heart health and improved cholesterol levels, but fatty fish like salmon, herring, and sardines are the top delicious foods that play a significant role in a healthy colon due to having omega-3 fatty acids. They also have a fewer chances of developing cancer as compared to red meat lovers. Be alert while eating tuna, king mackerel, and fish as they are high in mercury and other pollutants leads to significant health problems.
Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.